Paneer Makhani. Restaurant-style dishes at home are pure bliss, just like this all-time favorite Paneer Makhani. Don't forget to top it generously with butter. Method. Cut the tomatoes into cube size and keep it aside. Heat oil in a wok, add green cardamom, mace and chopped garlic, mix well and sauté for 30 seconds. Add tomato cubes, mix well and sauté for 5-6 minimum. Add salt and cashew nuts, mix well and sauté for 4-5 minutes. Add Kashmiri red chili powder, mix well and sauté for 1 minute. When tomatoes get pulpy, switch the flame and keep it aside to cool for 10-12 minutes. After 10-12 minutes, grind it to a smooth paste. Strain the tomato gravy in a bowl and keep it aside. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in same wok. Add green chilies, ginger julienne, mix well and sauté for 1 minute. Add strained tomato gray into the pan, mix well and cover and cook for 10-12 minutes. On slow flame, stir continuously. Add remaining butter, mix well and cook for 6-8 minutes. Add fresh cream and mix well. Add paneer cube and kasuri methi, mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Switch of the flame, add honey and mix well. Remove in serving bowl, sprinkle kasuri methi on top. Garnish with fresh cream and serve hot. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.